galit ka sa akin? Okay. Hey! Last one. Shoot! Ay! Say reset. 1. Oh, almost! Last one. Oh! Another one, try.
Picture tayo sa...
Whoa!
Hoy! Hoy!
Hoy! Oh! Currently, Tita Minda and Johan are in the second. We need to get 2 in.
Hoy!
Hoy! Pasok na si Kuya. Balik mag-shoot ka.
Panalo na, di ba? Panalo na rin.
Pasok na.
There you go!
Ay! One.
Hey! Yeah!
Almost.
There you go! Gymnastics! Hey!
Put 2 in to get to the next round.
Ay!
Yep.
Yep! Wala na.
Last one. Wala na.
Ay!
Princess, need to get 2.
Oh, out.
Ay, hindi po ibagsak yung poke.
Hindi siya namin.
Sabi sa'yo, baka
Wala na.
Move back. Okay. Hop.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
Okay. Last one. Okay.
Oh!
Huwag po itong bang bote.
Oh!
Okay, Andre. Ate, move back. Yes.
Erika, nakadalawa ka na. Dalawa ka ng...
Hoy!
Ay! Hop!
Hindi pa ready si Erika masundan.
Oh, sitting down. Ay!
Almost.
Ay! Wait.
Kasi diyan ka pa ulo eh. Oh! Oh! Ayan. Yo!
Almost, Ate Ana.
Nawala tuloy.
Last one. Short. Colors, Mami. Okay. Hoy!
Oh! Wala effort here.
Over there.
After.
Best.
Oh! Parang medyo malayo.
Good.
Move back.
Move back dito.
Ulit. Move back daw eh.
Move back.
Oh!
Yeah.
Hoy!
Hoy!
Ayan na, pumasok ko. Ala! Konti na lang. Masyado akong malapit.
Hey!
Follow through.
Ay!
Eh?
Alright.
Go.